My name is Rich Dale. I am CEO and founder of Flowlens. We're a cloud-based MRP solution for high-tech SME equipment and device manufacturers. Our solution for the Open Call Digital Supply Chain Hub project was to help SMEs source more effectively. So many SMEs are time poor and struggle whenever they have new parts or components to buy. In terms of the impact of the project, day-to-day productivity for a start, whenever you issue a request for quotes, it's usually via email. You're sending it out to some suppliers and they may or may not reply, so you have to figure out, go back and see, did I get a reply, and if not, chase it. Just the kind of mundane aspect of issuing a request for quote is automated, because in Flowlens you've got your suppliers, you've got the parts you need to procure, you can issue that and you can quickly see if they've responded. It's not just purely about cost, it's also potentially about lead time or other quality factors, because a lot of our customers' biggest problem is making sure that their supplier delivers to them on time so they can meet their customer promises. So some of it is quantifiable and some of it is sort of reputational opportunity as well. It's really important for us to work with SMEs in co-designing the solution. So Flowlens has been around for about 10 years and we've customers all around the UK and a few further afield, and we always work with them to figure out what the problems really are and how to then deliver a solution. So working with Denshi and Lumen Electronics to understand the problems and really where the inefficiencies were in the process and take the blockers out has made it a much more powerful solution.